Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video I will show you how to change zoom on Samsung Galaxy S25. Let's begin. So, all you have to do is simply go to settings. Here you want to scroll down a little bit and go to display. And after scrolling a while, we'll see our... Oh, it's not called screen zoom. Yeah, it's called screen zoom right under here. I missed it. So we want to click screen zoom, and here we simply can bump it all the way up. And now our zoom is much higher, or bump it down in order to lower our zoom. And that's all for this video. If you found it useful, please remember to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.